Yo, what's good, y'all? Man, just woke up, so I'm tired. Woke up to some bad news. I'm pretty sure a lot of us have. If you got in to go long on the market yesterday before it closed, yeah, looks like we've been bull tracked. But now I'm gonna learn from this and grow from this. That's a powerful mindset to have. I hope you got out because, as you can see, it's now going lower. So let me tell you where I entered in this trade. I'm in the SPY stock, ETF stock, right? And another thing before I get started with this stock, I just started doing Forex, y'all. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to tell y'all about my small account, how I'm flipping that. You know what I'm saying? So back to Robinhood. Okay, so here's why I got in right here. I waited all day, got in right here. And then waited for it to break that high. The only reason why I didn't get in down here whenever I formed that double bottom is because I was out of day trades. And on Robinhood, you only get 3-day trades within a 5-day business period. So I was playing it smart. I was doing this all week, waiting for it to form a new high at the moment, wait for it to break that, and then I hop in and make my profit like that and get out the next day. But unfortunately, some bullshit happened. The stock was hella manipulated after hours. I could see if it happened during the day, I'd have been got out, took my L, wouldn't have lost as much money. But the fact that big money decided to drop it after hours, the big bears, the rich people, it's just crazy because nobody even had a chance to really prepare for this. Like, we was clearly in an uptrend. The structure was there. And then after hours, when nobody could do nothing about it, these weirdos decide to drop the stocks down. All the ETF stocks, at least. Shoot, even Tesla and all, like all these ETF stocks, man. And that was just crazy, but I'm not mad about it because I made money in Forex. You can't be mad if you lose a trade. You know what I'm saying? And I'm still up profit for the week so far in my Robinhood account. But you really can't be mad if you lose, especially if it's not your fault. If it's like hella manipulated like that. But I seen the market was moving like and big moves up and down yesterday, right? And I was like, man, this is like kind of weird. Like, this never really happens, right? It broke the trend. I mean, I broke the low, the last high, and it continued going up. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm in. But I'm just saying it was moving real. Like, usually you don't do that. So maybe that's a sign. That is something I wrote in my notes. Start looking down. Start watching for that now. So that way I be prepared next time. Like, this is how you grow as a trader. Like, you take your notes, you take screenshots, and shit. Also, just remember in your head. You know what I'm saying? Because this is how you're gonna grow as a trader and learn from your mistakes. That's a very powerful mindset. Learn and grow. Learn and grow. And also be willing to walk away from a trade. Whether that's you got to lose or take profits early. If the stock's being manipulated, it's breaking certain support areas, certain zones where it's not supposed to, just get out. Like, there's no point of staying in it because anything can happen. Anything can happen in the stock market. Y'all see what happened. A lot of y'all probably lost money right there with me. It's cool. It continued to drop lower. I got right out. It's all good. Now, to Forex. I trade on a daily time frame. Y'all should do this, man. Like, if you new to Forex. I'm new to Forex, but it's kind of like, I've been trading now for a little minute. So, for me, I just had to figure out what time frame to trade on for my small account. But if you got a small account, try the daily. And I'm explaining to you why. You know what I'm saying? So, today I woke up. Last night, I got into this trade right here, right? Today, I woke up to $7 in profit. Realized my sleepy self got out a little too early. Looking at the chart a little bit wrong. Like, I should have just waited. So, let me just say, okay, so on a daily time frame chart, here's why I entered in. That way down here. Now, the thing is, you see way up here, this is the real lower high. Because when the market started going down on this time frame chart, this is where it started at. This is when it broke structure. You get it? Boom. So it gotta come up and retest this support level, right? Eventually it has to come up and retest this support level. So what I do, I buy in at the bottom and wait for it to come up and test that support level, right? Now when it tests that support level, I ain't gonna lie, I take profits. But if it keep going up, I might even just hop back in or just look for another trade. So that's how you do that with Forex. You just wait for it to, you know what I'm saying, come up and retest where the move started at, where all it started when it first started falling down at. And then, you know what I'm saying, you go from there. So that's how I do that. You know what I'm saying? All you see is green in my Forex account. I've been winning all my, all my trades. Like, now I got some reds if you scroll down lower, but that's because I was testing out what time frames I should trade on. Instead of trading on 15-minute, cause think about it. If you trade on a 5, 10, 15-minute time frame, shoot, even 30, you're not going to really make that much money. Like, you're going to be in and out, taking small profits. You might as well just go longer, you know what I'm saying, and just wait for a bigger move so that way you could catch more pips. You might catch 50 pips, 100 pips in one trade because you're going longer. You're looking at it from a wider lens. You're not up close. Just imagine if you out on an airplane, you're looking at the world from up above. You can see everything. So that's what the higher time frame charts are for. So that way, okay, if you know it's going to come back up, retest this level up here, just imagine how many pips you can catch. A lot. You know what I'm saying? But that's about it. That wraps it up for this video, man. If you lost from that crazy stuff last night, don't be mad. It's not really your fault. You know, the most you could do is learn from this and try your best to realize it if it happens again, if it's happening again. So that way you be like, oh, this happened before. Oh, I seen this before. Like, a lot of stuff you know what I'm saying? I see myself doing that a lot. Like, oh, I seen this before. You know what I'm saying? I took notes on this, so I'm prepared this time. That's the beauty of taking notes, man, because you really do become a better trader when you put the work in. And, you know what I'm saying, I just be learning every day, you know what I'm saying? So that wraps it up for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Y'all can like it if y'all want. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to keep coming out with more videos, even though I don't care about YouTube. But why not put this knowledge out here? Because if one person get this message, that's all I care about. So peace, man. Peace and love to y'all, man. Blessings. I'm out.